Hello and Merry Christmas, guys. Today I'm showing you how to make a working redstone alarm, like this one. First you're going to place your oak planks, or any planks, then your pistons, and observers. Place redstone dust, and then your other observers. Come on. Oh my gosh. Then your observers. Wrong way. And then your note blocks. And then whatever sounds you like. And then you place your lever. Lever. And turn on. Well, there you have it. Bye.